Alright, so what we're going to do next is learn the second part of our body percussion piece. This is also 4 bars long and it is called the chorus. So the whole thing goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we're going to split it down like we did with the introduction, and we're going to do 1 bar at a time. So the very first bar of our chorus starts again with our right foot, and it goes like this really slowly. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot, thigh, chest, clap. So, and again it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot, thigh, chest, clap. Let's try that really slowly together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot, thigh, chest, clap. 1, 2, here we go. Right foot, thigh, chest, clap. Here we go. One more time. Right foot, thigh, chest, clap. Alright, let's try it a little bit quicker. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot, thigh, chest, clap. 1, 2, and again. Right foot, thigh, chest, clap. 1, 2, here we go. Right foot, thigh, chest, clap. 1, 2, here we go. Ta, 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 ta. 1, 2, one more time. Excellent. Alright, so that is bar number 1 of our chorus. Bar number 2, really slowly, starts with your right hand and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, clap. Let's try it together really slowly. Get your right hand ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, clap. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, clap. 1, 2, and again. Right, left, right, clap. 1, 2, here we go. Right, left, right, clap. 1, 2, one more time. Right, left, right, clap. Let's try it a little bit quicker. So this is bar 2 of the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, clap. 1, 2, here we go. Right, left, right, clap. 1, 2, one more time. Right, left, right, clap. Super. Okay, let's put bars 1 and 2 of the chorus together. So join in with me when you're ready. We'll do it on repeat. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot, thigh, chest, clap. Right, left, right, clap. Right foot, thigh, chest, clap. Right, left, right, clap. Right foot, thigh, chest, clap. Right, left, right, clap. Right foot, thigh, chest, clap. Right, left, right, clap. Excellent, well done. Let's have a look now at bars 3 and 4 of the chorus. So bar 3 is exactly the same as bar 1 of the chorus. Bar 3 goes like this, just to remind you, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot, thigh, chest, clap. 1, 2, everyone. Right foot, thigh, chest, clap. 1, 2, one more time. Right foot, thigh, chest, clap. Excellent. And then bar 4, finally, is very similar to bar 2, but a little bit different. So this time we're going to play on our shoulders. It's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right. Alright, so give it a go at home. Give that popping noise a go. See see how many funny sounds you can make. And if you can't do it at all, you can go pop instead. So it could go right, left, right, pop. Or you can do right, left, right. Shall we try it together? Here we go, really slowly after 4. This is bar 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right. 1, 2, and again. Right, left, right. 1, 2, here we go. Right, left, right. 1, 2, one more time. Right. Very good. Let's try joining bar 3 and 4 of the chorus together. So remember, we're starting on our right foot. We'll try it a few times. Here we go, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot, thigh, chest. Right, left, right. 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 Let's try now the whole of the chorus, so all 4 bars. Okay, I'm going to start and see if you can join in when you've got it, okay? So from bar 1, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot, thigh, chest. Right, left, right. Right foot, thigh, chest. Right, left, right. And again, right foot, thigh, chest. Right, left, right. 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 And again, right foot, thigh, chest. Right, left, right. Right foot, thigh, chest. Right, left, right. Okay, so just like we did with the introduction, pause the video here, have a go at those 4 bars of the chorus over and over again until you're really confident with them.